we're going to be tying up a 500-year-old fly pattern that can still catch fish. To tie it, we'll start off with some gold wire. Secure it tightly to our hook shank, wrapping back until we reach the bend of the hook. At which point we'll reverse our thread's direction back towards the head of the fly. We'll then grab some peacock herl and secure about 3 strands to our hook shank, once again securing it to our hook shank and wrapping backwards until we reach the bend of the hook. Bring your thread back up towards the head of the fly, and then you can grab your peacock herl and begin to wrap it forward in close touching spirals, continuing to do so until we reach the head of the fly. At which point, we'll secure it in place with our thread, taking thread wraps both in front, as well as behind, and snipping the excess free. We'll then grab our gold wire and begin to counter wrap our peacock herl towards the head of the fly, except this time we'll wrap it in open spirals, continuing to do so until we reach the head of the fly. Secure it with your thread, taking thread wraps both in front, as well as behind the wire, and helicoptering the excess free. We'll then wrap our thread back on the peacock slightly and grab some black saddle hackle, using our hook as a gauge to select the size of the feather. Grab some of the excess fibers free, exposing the stem, and secure it to the head of your fly. Snip the excess free and begin to hackle this forward around the head of our fly. Secure with your thread, and snip the excess free. We'll then brush everything backwards, taking a few securing wraps to give it a nice brush back look. At which point we'll grab a turkey tail, snipping free 2 sections, and placing them in a V formation. We'll measure this to be a bit longer than our hook shank, and secure it tightly to the head of the fly using a pinch wrap. Once happy, take further securing wraps and snip the excess free. We'll then cover up our tag end and whip finish to hold everything together. Snip your thread free and paint over the head of the fly with some UV resin. And this is one of the first documented fly patterns, called the alder. It's still a very successful wet fly. Swing it through the current to imitate a sunken insect or a diving caddis. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.